Laura Veenema, and I want to talk to you about my book, Modern Improv Quilting. I love quilting, but sometimes I feel bossed around by traditional quilt patterns. My seams are never scant enough, and my finished product doesn't match the cover of the pattern. Did I do it wrong? It feels so stressful. Well, over the years, I've come up with my own improvisational quilting techniques. They allow me to be the boss of my own design, to catch an improv wave and see where it takes me. So I wrote this book to share these improv techniques with other quilters. This book is for beginners. There is a whole chapter on how to make a quilt, but it's also for advanced quilters who want to shake things up a little bit, try something new. The first half of the book goes through each of these 3 techniques. It shows quilters how to make the basic blocks, and then how to combine them in a way that looks cohesive instead of messy, which is important for improv quilting. Here are the 3 improv quilt techniques that are in the book. Here's one. Here's another. And this big guy is a third. Then the second half of the book allows readers to apply those improv techniques to different projects. There are 4 quilt projects that quilters can try, though theirs will look different than mine because it's improv quilting. And then there are some bag and home good projects, patterns, in the second half of the book too. One is this fun duffel bag using improv techniques. Here's a market bag. And everyone looks a little bit different because it's improv quilting, and a zipper pouch. Another project in the book are these fun improv stockings. And finally, we have the crossbody wonder bag, which you can wear across your body or as a fanny pack. I hope that quilters find joy and freedom in improv quilting. And I hope you love my book, Modern Improv Quilting. Thank you.